One of the most common problems in the air conditioning industry is refrigerant leaks. They increase energy consumption and shorten the life of your equipment. Leaks in air conditioning systems cause major challenges. HCPRO has the perfect solution. HCPRO has designed high-performance polymer-free leak sealants. 2 ounces for large equipment up to 6 tons. 0.25-ounce syringe for 1-ton equipment. HCPRO sealant's properties can protect every component of the system, provide a durable seal, supreme adhesion, flexibility, and durability. Application in HVAC-R systems. Step 1. Identify the outdoor service unit and retrieve the protective cover. Step 2. Create a shallow vacuum in the low-pressure connection. Step 3. Turn off the air conditioning system. Step 4. Install the adapter and syringe on the low-pressure connection. For large commercial and residential 6 tons units, apply a complete 2 ounces HCPRO HVAC-R leak sealer kit, following the previous application procedures. Step 5. Turn on the system for 30 minutes to restore pressure. The HCPRO leak sealer now working in system sealing the microscopic leak. Our leak sealants stand out for their high effectiveness, ease of application, and durability. HCPRO, keep it running together.